Hello guys, welcome back. This is Inji Facts and I am here with a new topic, Zener diode. Zener diode is basically an ordinary PN junction diode but normally operated in reverse biased condition. But ordinary PN junction diode connected in reverse biased condition is not used as Zener diode practically. So when the PN diode is especially designed with heavily doped P-type and N-type semiconductor material to conduct a specified voltage in reverse direction. Zener diode is able to flow current in reverse biasing or backward with a set certain voltage that is called Zener voltage. Here the Zener diode is shown in figure and the circuit symbol is recognized by a bar which is bent at the two ends. Here is the formation of Zener diode. Zener diode is modified form of PN silicon diode used for voltage regulation. The P-type and N-type silicon used is doped more heavily than a standard PN diode. Zener diode is nothing but a single diode connected in a reverse bias. A diode connected in reverse bias position in a circuit is shown below. Here is the working principle of Zener diode. In electronics, Zener diode, mostly known as Zener effect, which is a type of electrical breakdown. It occurs in a reverse biased PN diode. The Zener diode operates just like a normal diode in the forward biasing mode, and it has a turn-on voltage between 0.3 and 0.7 volt. But when connected in the reverse mode, a small leakage current may flow. As the reverse voltage increases to the predetermined breakdown voltage, a current starts flowing through the diode. There are two types of mechanism by which breakdown can occur at reverse PN junction, that are avalanche and Zener breakdown. First is Zener breakdown. Zener breakdown occurs due to high reverse voltage. When applied with the high reverse voltage, the depletion layer width increases. Because of this, potential barrier increases and the junction creates a strong electric field. This strong electric field splits the covalent bond and creates a large number of carriers of minority charges. Thus, current increases suddenly due to the movement of minority charge carriers, and sometimes it leads to the breakdown of the junction. This is called of Zener breakdown. This is seen in diodes having a reverse voltage of less than 5 volt. Second is avalanche breakdown. Avalanche breakdown mechanism comes into view when the reverse voltage is extremely high. The minority carriers get extreme high kinetic energy at such a high reverse voltage. Because of this, electrons are easily detached from the covalent bond. In this way, the current becomes very large that it leads to the breakdown of the diode. Avalanche breakdown occurs when the reverse voltage becomes higher than 5 volt. Here you can see the characteristics of the currents in the Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown. The current in the Zener breakdown sharply increases in the reverse quadrant, and the current in the avalanche breakdown gradually increases in the reverse quadrant. When a Zener diode is forward biased, its characteristics are just the same as the ordinary diode. When a Zener diode is reverse biased, then it gives constant current up to a certain voltage, that is Zener breakdown voltage. When reverse bias voltage is increased beyond that voltage, the current increases rapidly in reverse region as shown in the diagram. These are some applications of Zener diode. Zener diodes are used in voltage stabilizers or shunt regulators. Zener diodes are used in surge suppression circuitry for device protection. Zener diodes are used in overvoltage protection circuits. Zener diodes are used in clamping and clamping circuits, especially peak clippers. Zener diodes are used as reference elements. Zener diodes are used in switching applications. It is enough for Zener diode. Thank you for watching and keep watching for further videos. Thank you.